Hello everyone! Are you curious about how to choose the right bike pedals? Let's find out! Selecting the appropriate bike pedals is essential for comfort, efficiency, and control while cycling. Firstly, consider the type of riding you'll be doing most frequently. There are various types of bike pedals, including platform pedals, clipless pedals, and combination pedals, clipless on one side, platform on the other. Platform pedals offer a flat surface for your feet and are suitable for casual riding or commuting. Clipless pedals provide a secure attachment between your shoes and the pedals, enhancing power transfer and efficiency, making them ideal for road cycling or mountain biking. Combination pedals offer versatility, allowing you to use either flat shoes or clipless cycling shoes. Secondly, ensure compatibility between the pedals and your cycling shoes. Clipless pedals require compatible cycling shoes with cleats that attach to the pedal mechanism. Ensure that the pedals and shoes are compatible with the same cleat system, e.g., SPD, Look, Speedplay, to ensure a secure fit and optimal performance. Platform pedals are compatible with any type of footwear, making them a versatile option for casual riders or commuters. Consider the cleat system if you opt for clipless pedals. Different cleat systems offer varying degrees of float, the amount of side-to-side movement allowed while clipped in, release tension, and engagement mechanisms. Choose a cleat system that suits your riding style and preferences, considering factors such as ease of engagement, adjustability, and compatibility with your cycling shoes. Lastly, pay attention to the material and construction of the pedals. High-quality pedals are typically made from lightweight and durable materials such as aluminum alloy, titanium, or carbon composite. Look for pedals with sealed bearings and robust spindle construction for smooth rotation and long-term reliability. By considering factors such as pedal type, shoe compatibility, cleat system, and construction, you can choose bike pedals that match your riding needs and enhance your cycling experience. So, take your time to explore different options and find the pedals that best suit your preferences and performance goals. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.